Hi guys, my name is Bapi, and you are welcome to my course. In this course, you'll master complete Agentic AI with the help of LangGraph. If you look around the internet these days, everyone is moving towards Agentic AI systems. Previously we used to build LLM-based and RAG-based applications, but right now agents are becoming very important and crucial for application development. Nowadays AI agents are becoming very powerful because of their automated workflows. Now you only need to provide a prompt, and from that prompt your agent can understand your goals, and those goals get divided into multiple tasks. Each of those tasks is then completed using different kinds of tools. Your AI agent can decide which tool to use to perform which kind of task. With these automated workflows, your agent can perform any kind of task you give it. That's why this is far better than traditional generative AI development, because now, with agents, we can automate the workflows. So in this course, I am going to teach you everything you need to master Agentic AI with LangGraph. But before that, let's first understand my course plan. I've divided this course into multiple phases. In phase 1, we'll complete the introduction to Agentic AI, what Agentic AI is, and how an AI agent works. We'll see the difference between LLM apps and AI agent applications and look at agentic behaviors like reasoning, planning, memory, tools, and decision-making. Then we'll look at some real-world use cases of Agentic AI and compare traditional AI versus generative AI versus Agentic AI systems. We'll also cover the evolution from chatbots to automated agents, along with agent architecture, prompts and system instructions, tools, memory, planning, reflection, environment interaction, and human feedback. In phase 2, we'll start with asynchronous programming and Pydantic. Every agent framework uses asynchronous programming in the back end, and LangGraph uses it internally too, which means you can run your agents in parallel. Pydantic is a Python library we use for data and model validation, which you need whenever you implement AI agents. In phase 3, we'll start with our first orchestration framework, which is LangChain. You might ask why we are learning LangChain. It's because LangGraph is a product built by the LangChain team, so to master LangGraph you need some knowledge of LangChain. Even when you use LangGraph, you still need LangChain because from LangChain you load the large language model and the prompt templates. All the utility-related code you'll write with LangChain, while LangGraph you'll use for building your agent workflows. Then in phase 4, we'll get into LangGraph itself and understand each of its components, why LangGraph is required, LangChain versus LangGraph, and graph-based agent workflows. We'll cover state management, nodes and edges, conditional edges, start and end nodes, graph compilation, checkpointers, and sequential, parallel, conditional, and iterative workflows.